Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, Friday, that is 22nd January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start first by analyzing Nifty options open interest data for the monthly expiry 28th January 2021. So max pain level for the monthly expiry is at 14,400 levels. So it just tells us that if market were to expire around 14,350 to 14,450 range on Thursday next week, 28th January, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze the options open interest data, so for 28th January, we will see that overall, broadly speaking, highest amount of open interest is at 15,000 strike in calls, and highest amount of open interest in puts is at 14,000 strike. So it is a broad range of 14,000 to 15,000 for the overall monthly expiry range. And if we see uh, for the near term, highest amount of calls were written at 14,700 strike, followed by 15,100 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts have been written at 14,600 strike, followed by 14,500. So it the open interest data for the near term suggests that market can find support around 14,500 levels in the near term. And for this monthly expiry, broadly we have already discussed that max pain is at 14,400 levels, and broader range is 14,000 to 15,000 overall, and the short term range is anywhere between 14,500 to 14,700 based on the open interest data. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above the monthly open 13,996 levels. On the weekly time frame, we have formed an outside weekly candle so far, but it is still under control of buyers above 14,453 levels. And on the daily time frame, you will see that today market was under control of sellers below 14,730 levels. And again, today we have formed an outside daily candlestick. So basically, this is a range expansion, and on smaller term time frame, it is basically a broadening formation, which we can see over here. I'll apply previous day high, previous day low levels, and here you can see we took out yesterday's high, and today we also took out yesterday lows. So hence we formed an outside candlestick on the daily time frame. So basically it is just range expansion, and potentially tomorrow could be an inside day. However, based on the daily time frame, if market tomorrow starts trading above its uh, daily open, and then we will have time frame continuity to the upside, because on the monthly time frame market is still under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame it is again under control of buyers. So if markets tomorrow starts trading above its open, then we would have full time frame to the full time frame continuity to the upside, potentially speaking, although I am expecting that tomorrow could be an inside day, as it is Friday as well. So based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow, that is 22nd January. Above 14,590 levels, we can trade towards 14,653 levels, 14,753 levels, and potentially 14,816 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,517 levels, we can trade towards 14,472, 14,454, and potentially 14,373 levels. And we have a neutral price range of 14,590 to 14,517, in which one can refrain from making any trades in the market. Now, we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are Adani Ports, Eicher Motors, and HDFC. So let's start with Adani Ports. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers as it is trading above its monthly open. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers as it is trading above its weekly open. And on the daily time frame, we basically consolidated today and we formed an inside candle. So tomorrow we'll look for buying opportunity above 561.95 levels. Then we'll look to enter long positions in Adani Ports, and we would potentially have full time frame continuity to the upside if we trade above 561.95 odd levels in Adani Ports. Second stock is Eicher Motors. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, it is again under control of buyers as it is trading above its both monthly and weekly opens. On the daily time frame, we basically are consolidating overall, and today we formed an inside candle. So tomorrow we'll look for buying opportunity above 2,955.1 levels, and once it starts trading above 2,955.1 levels, we would have full time frame continuity to the upside. And our third stock is HDFC. So on the monthly time frame, you will see that HDFC is under control of buyers above its as it is trading above its monthly open. On the weekly time frame, basically you will see that it is still under control of buyers as it is trading above its weekly open. And on the daily time frame, we basically formed an inside candle, and in terms of price action, we made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and today an inside daily candle on HDFC. So basically it consolidated today, and we'll look for buying opportunity above break of this inside candle to the upside. So above 2,698.1 levels, we'll look for buying opportunity in HDFC, and we would also have full time frame continuity to the upside. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 14,590 we can potentially trade towards 14,653 levels, 14,753 levels, and potentially 14,816 levels. And on the downside, below 14,517 we can potentially trade towards 14,472, 14,454, and potentially 14,373. And we are anticipating that tomorrow it could be an inside day, so we may not see some huge moves in the index, but you never know. And the stocks that we would be tracking are all inside candles on the daily time frame: HDFC, Eicher Motors, and Adani Ports. So inside candles, they are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So basically markets are consolidating in a range, so we'll look for buying opportunity outside the range. That is, if inside candles break to the upside, we look for buying opportunities, and if the inside candles break to the downside, we look for selling opportunities. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel.